To use modes and routines in Samsung Galaxy A07, we're gonna start by opening settings on our device. Next step is to enter modes and routines, and after that we can see the modes and routines right here. So what you can do is first enter modes, and here you will see different presets that are pre-available on this device. So you can always see those, and you can always click on them to see their rules and start them instantly. You can also create your own modes like this. Click on the add mode, name it however you like, adjust the icon for it, then click on done. That way you'll be able to adjust the settings for it. For example, turn on automatically when something specific happens, like when you open an app, connect a Bluetooth device, change the time period, place your phone somewhere, and etc. So adjust the settings for automatic toggle on right here. Then when you're done, you can go for what this mode will do. So for example, you can activate stay focused, which will toggle do not disturb mode or restrict some of the app usage. Then there's the options for other actions, and here you can activate some of the features of this device, like a grayscale, which will change your phone to black and white colors, enter a dark mode, or basically anything right here. There's plenty of options. You can even add more specific actions by adding the by selecting add action right there. And then there's the other, we cover other actions. You can also adjust the appearance, like changing a wallpaper specifically for this mode. Next thing is routines, and it's kind of similar. You can click on the plus button right here, and that way you'll be able to create this routine with adding what will trigger it. So if you select that, you can, for example, change to different modes and context and start it manually here as well. That means you'll be able to just click on turn on and off. For example, this phone has very sensitive screen. So I'm gonna change it to driving. So if I start driving, then this mode should toggle on automatically, and we can add more conditions if you like. Then after it toggles, we can do different actions, like for example, it can enter the airplane mode, it can unmute my device with notification settings, or anything that you can customize right here. There's endless possibilities of that options. Make sure to save each of those options, and after that you'll be able to use modes and routines. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.